Are you ready for your ultimate travel adventure in 2024? Whether you're dreaming of discovering new and exotic destinations or revisiting beloved spots, having the best travel tips at your fingertips can make all the difference. Get ready to uncover the top travel tips that will take your adventures to the next level this year. Let's start with tip number 1. Pack wisely for a smart travel experience. Use packing cubes to keep things organized and save space. Remember essentials like a universal adapter, portable charger, and a reusable water bottle. A personalized packing list tailored to your destination and trip duration can streamline the process and reduce stress. Tip number 2. Embrace digital nomad life with mobile workspaces. Seek out co-working spaces, quiet cafes, and reliable Wi-Fi spots wherever you go. This balance of work and travel lets you enjoy the best of both worlds. Tip number 3. Optimize your itinerary with time-saving routes. Use route planners to discover the most efficient paths between attractions, dining spots, and accommodations. This not only maximizes your experience, but also leaves room for spontaneous adventures. Tip number 4. Ensure health and safety with smart health recommendations. Stay updated with the latest health recommendations, including vaccination requirements and nearby medical facilities. Don't forget travel insurance. It can be a lifesaver for unexpected medical expenses. Tip number 5. Connect with locals for authentic experiences. Engage with residents to discover hidden gems and authentic experiences. Local tours, events, and community gatherings are great ways to immerse yourself in the culture. Tip number 6. Make sure to have some local cash. While digital payments are convenient, cash is still king in many places. It's handy for tips in places that only accept cash. Tip number 7. Master the art of smart travel photography. Learn how to make the most of your smartphone camera and find the best photo spots. Documenting your travels visually ensures you preserve those magical moments. Tip number 8. Practice responsible tourism. Choose eco-friendly accommodations and activities to minimize your environmental footprint. Supporting sustainable practices helps preserve the natural beauty and cultural heritage of the places you visit. Tip number 9. Use a currency converter for hassle-free transactions. This tool helps you get the best value for your money and eliminates the need for complex mental calculations or searching for currency exchange services. Tip number 10. Stay ahead of the weather with real-time forecasts. Knowing the weather conditions at your destination helps you pack appropriately and plan your activities, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable trip. Tip number 11. Immerse yourself in local cultures with tailored cultural tips. Understanding local customs and etiquette fosters respectful and meaningful interactions with locals, enriching your journey. If you have any travel tips of your own, we love to hear them. Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels!